Every year, the Earth is warming due to climate change, and building accurate climate change prediction models is more important than ever. Our project sponsors, the Smithsonian Institute, are accomplishing this with their large collection of microscopic fossilized pollen, since fossilized pollen is indicative of the climate change that occurred millions of years ago. However, each microscope slide contains thousands of small grains, and identifying them can take experts hundreds of hours of manual work. We aim to expedite this process with computer vision and create an object detection model that accelerates pollen and spore identification. We built 2 computer vision models, You Only Look Once or YOLO, and RoboFlow Detection Transformer, or RFDeter, comparing each model's accuracy in detecting and identifying pollen and spores. By applying object detection, researchers can accelerate the classification of fossils, providing climate models with larger and more detailed datasets. With these models, we can help the Smithsonian fully leverage their microscope collection. We are the Smithsonian team, and we'll see you at the D2K Showcase.